Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you about the PUREREF. We know that we are a 3D artist. You are running on a 3D artist channel. This channel is based on the 3D technique and 3D you can find any 3D technique and find any tutorial in my channel. So this PUREREF is related to our job. You can add this software in your pipeline. What is the PUREREF? PUREREF is a single and lightweight image viewer whose purpose is to display image without any distraction. This is a open source software. You can download it freely. So this is a PUREREF image, and this is the 3D software, open source software, and PUREREF. You can use this software if you have a dual monitor. I have a dual monitor, and everybody has a dual monitor to complete this job. So you can use this software in another monitor, or and a work area. You can use the main display. This is the main display, and you cannot see my another monitor, so you can see the PUREREF in my main display. So you can use this PUREREF in another display. So this is my, if as an example, if these are my reference images and there is nothing that drops some image to get started. PUREREF, open PUREREF, just click it to select all the images and drag and drop here, and you can use this image. Just right click, go to the setting and click on color section. You can find this is the dark mode, this is the light mode, and you can find this is the glass mode. This is the glass mode, or you can use this is the default dark mode. This is the glass mode, or just close it here. How to use? Suppose this is your support monitor, and this area you can view on your main display. You can use the this is my support display, or if I want to zoom this face, and just press C and just select the area by clicking. can crop this image, or when press Ctrl and click, press Ctrl and click, you can rotate this image, or Ctrl Z to undo, or Ctrl Shift Ctrl Alt to zoom. Just move this image, press middle mouse button and Ctrl plus Alt plus click to zoom it, and select, and to align, press Ctrl, select this image, select this image, just shift click, select multiple images and Control down arrow or Control up arrow, you can align, and again zoom this image, shift to select image and press Control down arrow or up arrow to align. You can zoom, or you can find the all setting from here. This is the this software area. You can see the border here. Just click inside the border, but you cannot, if you click outside the border, then Blender will be appear. Click on inside this region, so click it here, so you can find the different setting. Copy, help about setting, undo, redo, copy, paste note. You can set the note, Control N, or Control N, face, okay, this is the face, or just change the setting, setting, key binding, close, minimize always on top, text color, change the text color white. Not, so change the, okay, so right click here, you can find the different mode to transparent mouse, overlays selection always on top, Windows, maximize, minimize, lock the window, canvas, optimize the canvas, reset camera zoom, lock camera, grayscale, image, select all, select, Control A to select all, selection, reset cropping. This is the drop down menu of selection, This is the drop down menu of patterns. The align, left right top button, and the stack, normalize, height, width, size, and you can find the save and save as, and export. Let's export the scene, all images and selected images. Load, close. You can click here to close and Control X. Close to close this PureRef, and open it again. PureRef. There is no image here. Select this image and drag it here. And go back to the default setting, take it here on dark, so set to preset. Okay. This was a tutorial about the PureRef and the interface of PureRef. I hope you enjoy this tutorial as much as I created. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.